Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tumbong soup recipe updated. Begin by rinsing and blanching the oxtail to remove impurities, then roast bones briefly for color. Add cold water and aromatics and bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam occasionally. Cook low and slow until meat is tender and broth is rich, then season, add vegetables, and finish with fresh herbs for brightness. In this video, I will explain how to assemble ingredients for tumbong soup. Measure your proteins and vegetables, and prep aromatics by smashing garlic and slicing ginger thin. Keep flavor boosters like fish sauce and bay leaves nearby, and have lime or calamansi ready for finishing. A good rough ratio is 2 parts broth to 1 part solids for comforting texture. Mise en place speeds the cooking and keeps flavor. In this video, I will help you master the cooking technique for tumbong soup. Always begin with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer to coax out gelatin without clouding the broth. Skim impurities regularly and lower heat to maintain a whisper of movement. Cook slowly until the meat falls apart and the broth has body. Then strain if desired and return the clear, flavorful stock for final seasoning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.